Have you ever wondered what MQTT is? Have you ever wondered why MQTT is so relevant to IoT development? In fact, what is a broker? What is a topic? What is a message? What is the quality of service? Imagine how exciting it will be to understand all the various components of MQTT and develop your own IoT solutions using the MQTT protocol. Welcome to the MQTT from Ground Up course. This course teaches you how to develop complete IoT solutions using MQTT, the protocol for the Internet of Things. MQTT is a lightweight subscriber-publisher binary protocol designed for machine-to-machine communication with minimal packet overhead. This course uses only the STM32 microcontroller without any specialized wireless radio. We use the UART peripheral as part of our transport layer to communicate between our firmware and MQTT client, which we shall develop from scratch in Python. The goal of this course is to teach you all about MQTT protocol, its architecture, and then go ahead to develop real-world case studies using the MQTT protocol. So with that understood, let's see what you are getting. This course can be divided into 4 major sections. In the first section, we learn about the core concept of MQTT protocol and its unique architectural features. This section is entirely theoretical. It is in this section that we get to understand why MQTT is needed and how it is different from HTTP. The second section provides practical Python essential training for embedded developers. This section is for developers who are not familiar with the Python programming language and those who want to brush up on their Python development skills. This is required because we shall be developing our MQTT client in Python. In the third section, we will write all the drivers required to enable communication between our firmware and our Python applications. We shall develop drivers in Python to send and receive data to and from our firmware, as well as develop drivers in our firmware to communicate with the Python applications. In this same section, we shall learn how to develop MQTT client, set up local MQTT brokers, and also learn how to publish messages to the broker as well as subscribe to messages on the broker, or subscribe to topics, as you could understand the difference between messages and topics. In the final section, we shall apply all that we have learned to develop a farm management system based on the MQTT protocol. Over here, we shall understand how to approach such a complex project, decide on the best design pattern, and then go ahead to develop 2 farm management systems. One that communicates only with a local broker and another one that communicates with both a local broker and a cloud broker. We shall also develop a beautiful looking cloud-based modeling dashboard to help us properly visualize the data from our firmware. Please take a look at the full course curriculum for more information. I hope to see you in the course. It comes with a full money back guarantee, so you've got nothing to worry. So sign up and let's start transmitting some bits or publishing to some topics,